Okay, and I guess today we some new students are with us. So, okay, so today we have Josefa. Josefa, you are from which school? Josefa, my voice is audible to you? Josefa, okay, okay. So today is your first class. Josefa, we have already started the matrices, okay, and we will give you the backup classes. Any idea about the matrices, Josefa? Okay, no issue. So this is your today is your first class, so please try to understand the topic. And if you will face any issue, then we will clear your doubts in the backup classes. Okay. So today, just try to understand. Next, anyone else? Aisha, I guess you are not here. Okay. So Joseph, only you are here. Okay. So in the meantime, when other students are joining, we will just revise our syllabus and then we will continue our class. So Josefa, as you have given the exam in class 11, similarly in 12th also you have term 1 and term 2. In term 1 you have these chapters, okay, relation functions, algebra, calculus, linear programming, and then you have here internal assessment of the 10 marks, so total will be 50. In this unit you have these chapters, okay, and similarly in the term 2 you have these chapters. We will again discuss this in your backup classes. We have already started the matrices, okay, so I will just give you a quick introduction of the matrices, and I will hope that today you will be able to solve something. Okay, so in a very short way I will explain you this one. Okay. So matrices is actually a rectangular array of number or elements. Okay, so we represent a matrix like this, and normally we represent a matrix by a capital letter, not a small letter. Always remember, a matrix will be represented by a capital letter. So like this, we will represent a matrix, and we have elements in a matrix. So for example, this is the first element, second, fourth, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This is a way of representing a matrix. And other students, please have a patience of 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, we will just start the topic in maximum 2-3 minutes. Now, okay, so Josefa, there's a way of representing a matrices, and these numbers, these are called the elements of the matrix. Okay, so if you will check in this matrix, then this is the first row, row 1. This is the second row, this is row 2. This is the third row, this is row 3. Okay, and this is the column. This is the column, so we can say this is column 1, and similarly, this is column 2. So in this matrix, we have 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, so the order of this matrix, order is represented by m by n. Okay, m represent the number of rows and n represent the number of columns. So in this case, we can say our rows are 3 and columns are 2. So the order of the matrix will be 3 by 2. Okay, so this is a very simple concept, Josefa. Now this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So Josefa, can you tell me how many rows are there in this matrix?
2.
2. Excellent. And number of columns?
3.
3. So what's the order of this matrix?
6.
Oh, no, not 6. 2 by 3. This is read as 2 by 3. Okay, not 2 into 3. It is read as 2 by 3. Okay. Okay, so we have one more student with us, Abdul Rahman. Okay, Abdul, will you please message me on the chat box here from which school? And if you can hear my voice properly. Abdul Rahman, you can unmute yourself and can talk to me, Abdul, or you can reply me on the chat box. Abdul, my voice is audible to you? Sorry, Abdul. Okay, great. So, Abdul, you are from which school? Can you reply me on the chat box? Okay, great. So, Abdul, we have already started the matrix. Okay, we will give you the backup classes, but for the today's class, please try to understand only this one so that you will be able to solve some questions. And in the backup classes, we will again do this chapter from the beginning. Okay, now, matrix is what? It's a rectangular array of numbers. So in this way, we represent a matrix. We always represent a matrix by a capital letter. For example, capital letter A. And in a matrix, we write the numbers like this. And then we will kind of count the rows and the columns. So we can see here there's a first row, there's a second row, there's a third row. And this is the column, there's a first column, this is the second column. Okay, so we can say, Abdul, that the order of this matrix is 3 by 2. First we will write the row number, and then we will write the column number. Okay, this is clear, Abdul? Abdul Rahman, this is clear? Okay, great. So, Abdul, can you tell me that how many rows are there in this matrix? How many rows are there? Abdul, how many rows are there? Zephyr, can you tell me how many rows are there?
2.
2. Okay, Abdul. This is the first row, row 1, and this is the second row. This is row 2. So the number of rows are 2. Next column. Okay, this is column. This is column 1, and this is column 2. So we have 2 rows and 2 columns. So Abdul, we will say that the order of this matrix is 2 by 2. This is clear, Abdul? Okay, perfect. So Abdul, just a last question. Please tell me that 6, and then we also have 7. So Abdul, please tell me how many rows are there? 4, perfect. 4 rows. And how many columns are there? 2, perfect. Okay, so the order of this matrix will be 4 by 2. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. There's no need to note down all this. We will discuss this again in the backup classes. Just remember one thing, as you normally add 2 numbers, for example, 2 plus 3, you get a 5. Similarly, we can also add the elements in the matrix, but the condition is the order of both the matrix should be same, 4, 6, 2. Okay, the order of both the matrix should be same. Then only we can add 2 matrices. And how can we add the matrices? We will add 1 with 4, so this is 5. Then 2 with 6, we will get 8. 3 with 2, this is 5. And 4 with 1, we will get 5. This is clear, Abdul and Huzafa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, so we will then start a topic. Okay, then all the students, homework has been done. Any doubt in the last topic? This is for everyone, no doubt. So you have completed the homework?
Yes, sir.
Atif, okay, great. Atif, Aisha, Maziha, Saf. Please reply me on the chat box so that we can continue our last topic. Atif, Aisha, Muzia, okay, Atif, okay, staff. Maziha, okay, great, Aisha, okay, Muzia, okay. So if anyone have any doubt in last homework, in last topic, then please let me know. Otherwise, we will continue our last topic. Okay, so these questions we have already completed. Third one we have already done. Okay, now we will discuss the properties of matrix addition. Okay, these properties are not new for you. You already know about the properties. We will just implement these properties for the matrix. You're aware about these properties for the real numbers. So we will check that what are the properties we have. First is commutative law. Okay, so what is a commutative law? For example, if we have a 2 plus 3, and if we will add 3 plus 2, then these two are the same thing. Okay, 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2 is the same thing. There is nothing different. Similarly, in a matrix, we have A plus B or B plus A. These two are equal. So what's a commutative law? If you will add A plus B or you will add B plus A, then the answer will be C. Okay. So any doubt in this? Please reply me on the chat box. Atif, Aisha, Abdul, Huzaifa, B, Saf, okay, and all the other students, will you please reply so that we can start the next one? Okay, so I hope everyone, okay, Masu, okay. Okay, so great, this is clear to you. Next, we have an associative property. Okay, so what's the associative property? If we will, okay, we will again take example of real number. So for example, if we have 2 plus 3, and in this 2 plus 3, we will add 5. Okay, and or if we will add 3 plus 5, and then we will add this into. Okay, here what we are doing, we are adding 2 plus 3, we are doing 2 plus 3, and then whatever the answer we will get, we will add this in 5. So here we will get a 5, 5, 10. On the right side, what we have done, we will add these two, and finally we will add this one with this two. So we will get it. Okay, this clear to everyone. If we will add first to second number, then we will add the answer in the third one. This will be equal if we will add the last two numbers and add the answer in the first one. No, Shiva, ABC are the matrices. Okay, that's why I have represented this by the capital letter. So here we are talking about the matrix. Now, the same property we can apply in this matrix. So what we have done, we have added first and second element, sorry, first and second matrix. And whatever the answer we get, we add this one in the matrix C. On the right side, what we have done, here we have added B plus C, and whatever the answer we get, we add that in A. Okay, so A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So this is our associative. Okay. Any doubt in this? Please confirm me on the chat box. Everyone, this property is clear. Okay, Atif. Okay, Museum. Okay, Shiva. Okay, Saf. And all the other students, Aisha, Abdul, Josefa. Aisha, Abdul, and Josefa, will you please confirm this property is clear to you? The second one? Okay, Josefa, good. Okay, Abdul. Okay, okay. Good. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. This is existence of additive identity. Okay, so we will understand what is meant by additive identity. For example, if we have a number 2, we need to add some number over here so that finally we will get it. Okay, additive identity means in a number we are adding some number and finally we will getting the same number. So you already know the answer. Answer is 0. Okay, so if you add 0 in any number, any real number, you will get the same number. Same concept you will apply in the matrix. Okay, if we have a matrix A, then what number can be added in this matrix A so that we will again get a
0.
0. Okay, and in matrix, what is 0 is called? Null matrix, 0 matrix. Okay, so this is not actually, this is a 0 matrix or null matrix. Always please remember, this is not a real number, this is a capital O. Capital O represent a 0 or null matrix. Okay, and Josefa and Abdul, this is a first class for you. So please remember, this 0 or null matrix is what? Where all the elements are 0. Like this. This can be any matrix. Okay, so what is the existence? What is the additive identity of a matrix? Null matrix. What is mean by additive identity? What matrix we will add in this matrix so that finally we will again get the same matrix. So that is a null matrix, or this is also called the 0 matrix. Okay, so please reply me on the chat box. Okay, everyone. Okay, Shiva. Okay. Maziha. Okay. Okay, Zephyr. Good. Okay, Aisha. Okay, Abdul. Good. Atif, this clear? Atif, this is clear? Okay, okay, great. Okay, so this was the third property. Next is additive inverse. Okay, what is mean by additive inverse? For example, if we have a 4, what we will add in this 4 so that we will get a 0? Can anyone tell me what we can add in this 4?
Minus.
Minus 4. Perfect.
4.
Perfect. Okay, so similarly, if we have a matrix A, then in this matrix, what we can add so that we will get a null matrix, so that will be minus A. So minus A is the additive inverse of for A. So if you have any matrix, okay, suppose you have a matrix B, then what is the additive inverse for this B? That will be minus B.
Minus B.
Okay, so I hope these properties are clear to you. These, okay, and let me know if anyone have a doubt in this. Is this clear? Then please note down this and confirm me so that we can start the next topic. Okay, Zephyr, very good. Then please note down this and confirm me once you complete this. Okay, Masih, good. Okay, Shiva, good. Okay, Aisha, good. Okay, Chad. Okay, Zephyr, good. Okay, Abdul, you please confirm so that we can start. Okay, perfect one. Okay, so Atif, I guess you have also completed this one. So we are going to start the next topic, next question. Okay, please let me know if anyone is remaining. Okay, now we will try some more questions based on addition of matrices. In the last class, we have already started the addition of matrices and we have completed some questions based on this topic. Today, we will continue this. Okay, so the first question is, if x plus y is equal to this and x minus y is equal to this, then find matrix x and phi. Okay, So please try to solve this question and let me know if anyone has a doubt on this. Okay. And Josefa, please give us 2-3 minutes. Okay. I will explain you that how to solve this question. Okay, you were very good. Your post is 50. Okay, perfect. Second is 1-4. Very good. Who's the next matrix? Okay. X is 5y is 2. I know, but this is a matrix. Okay, this is not a variable. This is a matrix. So you will get the answer in the matrix form. Okay. Okay, Atif, you have shared this answer, and this is 20,0, 4,4. No, Atif, this is not correct. Please again check your answer. Okay, and now I will start on this. So Huzefa and Abdul, please check here. So Huzefa and Abdul, in class 10, you have done a chapter linear equation. Okay, linear equation in two variables. So what normally you do in these types of cases, suppose this is a question of linear equation. So you just try to solve the linear equation. Okay, now the same method we will apply in this question also. So x plus y is equal to 7, 0, 2, and 5. And in this one, we will add, and second equation, we have this one. Okay, so this is 3, 0, 3, 0, 0. Okay, let this be equation first, this be. Now, what we will do, we will add these. Okay, we will add these two equations. So what will happen? This will cancel out, and x plus x become 2x. Okay, and we have already discussed that how can we add two matrices? We will add by adding the elements of the matrix. First element will be added to the first element. So here you will get a 10. Here you will get a 0. Here you will get a 2. And here you will get a 8. Okay. Now we need the value of x. So what we will do, we will shift this 2 to the right side. So you already know that this will come in divisor. Here you will get a 1 by 2. This is 10. This is 0. This is 2. This is 8. Okay. So finally, what will happen? Here all the elements will get divided by this 2. Always please remember, if outside a matrix you have any number or you are multiplying a matrix by any number, then all the elements will get multiplied with that number. So we have a 1 by 2. Here we will get a 10 into 1 by 2. Here we will get a 0 into 1 by 2. Here we will get a 2 into 1 by 2. And here we get an 8 into 1 by 2. So finally, you will get x is equal to 5, 0, this is 1, and this is 4. This is clear. Josefa, okay, Shiva, will you please share your answer for the y? Okay, and Josefa and Abdul, this is clear. Okay, Abdul, great. Josefa? Okay, good. Okay, Shiva, good. So let me check. The y is 2, 0, good. Okay, perfect. And this is 1. Very good. Shiva, good. This answer is correct. Atif, please check your answer. We are getting a different answer. Okay, so please check it. And Aisha, second is not correct. Second is 1, 1. So Abdul and Huzefa, please note down the solution. And now please try to find the value of y. So what you can do, you can put this value x in any of the equation, first or second. In any of the equation, you can put this value and finally you will get a value of y. Okay, please try to do this. And Aisha, please check your answer. Shiva, perfect. Your both answers are correct. Atif, check your answer, please. And all the other students, please share your answer. And or let me know if anyone is facing any problem with this question. Okay, Aisha, good. Okay, Atif, good. This is correct. That, please share your answer. Mazia, please share your answer if this is good. And Abdur and Huzefa, please let me know if I need to solve this one. Okay, Huzefa, you got this. 2011. Very good, Huzefa. This is correct. Good. Abdul, now please try to find the value of y. Okay. Okay. So I can see 2 Zephyr here. Okay, sir. Good, sir. This is good. Okay, Abdul. Good. 1, 1. Very good. So I hope most of the students have completed this question. Maziha, will you please share your answer? Maziha, will you please share your answer? Maziha, my voice is audible. Everyone has completed this question. Maziha, can you share your answer, please, so that we can start the next question, or let me know if you are facing an issue. Maziha, if you can hear me, then please share your answer. I guess we have some network problem. Okay, so Maziha, please reply me on the chat box, okay, if you are facing an issue over here. So we are getting this answer. So all of you, your answer is correct. Great. Now, please try this question. Okay. Now, Josefa and Abdul, you can also do this question. There's nothing different here. So, Josefa and Abdul, please check here. Here we have a 2. So all the elements of this matrix will get multiplied with this 2. And similarly, outside this matrix, you have a 3. So all these elements will get multiplied with 3. And all the other students, please start this question. And Abdul and Josefa, I need to explain you one more thing. Suppose we have this one, x, y, 2, 3. And on the right side, we have a matrix 1, 2, p, q. Okay, please check here. There's a sign of equality, so that means these two matrices are equal. This is a sign of equality. So that means these two matrices are equal. Now, how can we equate two matrices? So in that case, this first element will be equated with the first one. So x is equal to 1. This y will be equated with 2. So we will get y is equal to 2. Similarly, this with p. So p is equal to 2. And q will be equated with 3. So we get this x1, y2, p2, q3. Okay. So if two matrices are equal, then all their elements will be equal. This is clear, Abdul and Huzefa? Okay, Huzefa. Very good. Okay, Abdul, great. Now please try this question and let me know if anyone is facing any issue in this question. Okay, please try this. Okay, Shiva x3, z9, y6, very good. And t is 6. Very good, Shiva. This is correct answer. Okay. Saf, very good. This is correct. Good. Okay, Aisha x3, z9, y6, t6. Very good, Aisha. This is correct. Excellent. Okay, very good. This is correct. Good. Josefa, very good. This is correct. So Josefa, Atif, Aisha, Saf, and Shiva, we have completed this. Now, Abdul, please share your answer, and Josefa Ahmed, please share your answer. And Abdul, this is good, or you're facing any problem in this? Okay, you're facing problem, not an issue. We will try to solve. Okay, and Josefa Ahmed, please let me know if you also have any doubt in this question. Okay, so Abdul, here we have a matrix and this is getting multiplied with 2. So what will happen? All the elements of this matrix will get multiplied with 2. So this will become 2x, this become 2z, this become 2y, and this become 2t. Yes. Now, all the elements will get multiplied with 3. So we will get 3 minus 3, 0, and 6. And this is equal to all the elements get multiplied with 3, so you will get a 9, this 15, this 12, and this is 18. Okay. Now, what will happen, Abdul? If we are adding these two matrices, then their elements will get added. So this 2x plus 3, this becomes 2x plus 3. Similarly, 2z minus 3. Similarly, 2y plus 0, x is 2t plus 6. And this will be equal to 9, 15, 12, and 18. Okay. Now, first, these two matrices are equal. There's a sign of equality. That's why we will compare the first element with the first one. So we have this 2x plus 3 is equal to 9. And from this, we will get 2x is equal to 9 minus 3. So this will be equal to 2x is equal to 6. And from here, we will get x is equal to 3. Now, similarly, we will equate the second one with the second. So 2z minus 3 will be equal to 15. So shift this 3 to the right side. You will get 2z is equal to 15 plus 3. And from here, you will get 2z is equal to 18. And from this, you will get z is equal to 9. Okay, observe this is clear. Observe this is clear. Okay, then observe, please find the value of y and t. Okay, and share with me. Sorry, Mazia, I've just checked that you were in the waiting room. Okay, Mazia, the first question has been done. Okay, perfect. Then Mazia, please start the second one and share your answer. Okay, please start the second one and share your answer. First of all, please write this complete question. Okay, Mazia. And Abdul, okay. And Abdul, please share the value of y and t if you have completed this question. Abdul, y is 6. Very good. Y is correct. T is 6. Very good, Abdul. This is correct. Perfect. So, Mazia, I know you can solve this question. So, please, Mazia, complete this question and share your answer. Okay. And for the other students, I'm just starting the next one. But, Mazia, you need to first complete the second one. Okay. Okay, so all the other students, please start the third question. This question is from NCRT examples. Okay, please start this question. And Mazia, please do the previous one and share your answer. Okay, Mazia, you have completed this. Y, X, Z, and T is 6. Very good. Okay, Mazia. Great. Now, Mazia, please start this third one. Okay. If anyone have a doubt in this, please let me know. Okay, sure, very good. So what's the answer? Sure, final answer. And this is X, okay? Please remember this is X. Hope everyone has noted this. Shiva, very good, your answer is correct. Maziha, your answer is also correct, but please check the question, find non-zero values. Aisha, very good, this is correct. Maziha, very good. Very good, Maziha. Josefa, good. Steph, Steph, 4 is correct. Okay. But I'm not sure why you are getting 2 answers. Okay. Let me solve this. Okay. Abdul, are you facing any problem in this? Zephyr Ahmed, very good. This is correct. Abdul, this question is clear, or you're facing any issue in this? Abdul? Okay, you are calling. Okay. So we will multiply this x with this. So you will get a 2x squared. So this is 2x. So this is 3x. And this is x squared. Plus. This is 16. This is 10x. This is 8. This is 8x. And this will be equal to multiply this complete with 2. So you will get 2x squared plus 16. And this is 48. And this is 20. And this is 12x. Now add these two. So you will get 2x squared plus 16. Here you will get 2x plus 10x. Here you will get 3x plus 8. And here you will get x squared plus 8x. So this will be equal to 2x squared plus 16. This is 20. This is 48. And this is 12. Okay. Now equate the elements. First with this. Now what we are getting here, 2x squared plus 16. Okay. So this is equal. Okay. Now we will check with this. 2x plus 10x. Okay, so this will give us 12x. So 12x is equal to 48. And from this, we will get x is equal to 4. Okay, so from the first one, we get a 4. Then we will check with the next one. 3x plus 8 is equal to 20. So 3x plus 8 is equal to 20. So we will get 3x is equal to 20 minus 8, which will give us 12. And from this, we will get x is equal to 4. So here also, we are getting a 4. From this, x squared plus 8x is equal to 12x. X squared plus 8x is equal to 12x. So x squared is equal to, this will give us 4x. Next, shift this to the left side. I will tell you why we are doing this step. Is equal to 0. And x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 and 4. Okay, so we are getting all these solutions. So first of all, if we will check our question, so they were saying that find non-zero values, so we will reject this 0. Okay, in the question it is clearly mentioned that find non-zero values. Now the solution which we are getting here 4, 4 and 4. So we always find the common solution. So final answer will be x is equal to 4. You all know this, that we always find the common solution. Okay, so in these types of question, please find all the values. For example, if we will take the second element, you get a 4, then you can't say that this is the final answer. You need to find the value of x from all the elements. Then you need to find the common solution. So here 4 is the common one. And for the first one, this is equal. So this will be valid for any value of x. So I hope this is clear to everyone. So Josefa and Abdul, please remember, because this is your first class, please remember that you always need to find the value of x from all the elements, and then you need to find the common solution. Okay, so Abdul, this is done. Please note down this and let me know if you have any doubt in this one. So great students, all of you have already completed this question. Okay, Abdul, so can we start next? Okay, Abdul. Good. So it is equal to 4 was the answer. Now please try this question. Okay, so this equation is giving 2a plus b plus x is equal to O. This is the null matrix. Okay, matrix A is given, B is given. You need to find the matrix X, and this question came in CBSE 2000. Okay, please try this question. And Abdur and Huzaifa and Huzaifa Ahmed, please remember that what will be the order of null matrix. Okay, please check here. You are adding A with B and X. So we already know that if you are adding some matrix and their order will be equal. Okay, so the order of A is 2 by 2. That's why the order of B and X is also 2 by 2. B you can check from here. Now, what will be the order of O as you're equating this with O, with the null matrix? That's why the order of matrix O will also be equal to 2 by 2. Okay, because we are equating this with this. That's why the order of matrix O will be equal to this complete. And what's the order of this one? This will be 2 by 2. So I hope this is clear to Abdur and Huzaifa. Okay, and Huzaifa Ahmed. Now please start this question and let me know if anyone is facing any issue with this. Sorry, Shiva, I've just checked. Okay, so first row is -1, -2, and -7, -13. Very good, Shiva. Great, this is correct. Check the next one. Atif, I guess there is okay. -1, -2, -7, -13. Very good, Atif. This is correct. Josefa, very good. This is correct. Good. Saf, very good. This is correct. I feel very good. This is correct answer. Good. Please take your answer. Are you getting the same one? And Huzefa Ahmed, please share your answer. And Maziha, please share your answer. Okay. Or let me know if you are facing any issue in this question. Huzefa Ahmed, Abdul, Maziha, are you getting the same answer? Okay, Maziha. Good, Maziha. That's very correct. Very good. This is correct. Now, Huzefa Ahmed and Abdul, are you getting the same answer or you have a doubt in this one? Same answer, Huzefa. Very good. Abdul? Okay, great. Abdul, any doubt in this or you are getting the same answer? Okay, very good. Okay. Now, please try this question. Okay, you need to find the matrix A, matrix B and C are given, and O is again the null matrix. And this question came in CBSE 2019. First of all, anyone can tell me that what is the order of this matrix O? What is the order of the null matrix? Anyone can tell me this? Aisha, oh, perfect. Aisha, this is correct. Okay, so the order will be 2 by 3. No, sure, 2 by 3.
Yes, I got it. Got it.
Okay, very good. Okay, Josefa, very good. So, please continue this question and share your answer. Therefore, no, this is not correct. Please check the answer. This is the correct one, okay, -835. Okay, Aisha, you get the answer. Answer is -835. Good. -13, -1, and -9. Very good, Aisha. This is correct. Good. Okay, no issue. Please take your time. Okay, Josefa, you get the answer. So -835. Good. -13, -1, and -9. Very good, Josefa. Okay, sir. So -835, -13, -1, and -9. Very good. Very good, Shiva. Very good, Shiva. This is correct. Good. Maziha, very good. This is correct. So Abdul, will you please share your answer? And Hudefa Ahmed. Okay, did you check your answer? Is that correct now? You're not getting the right answer? Okay, okay. I will stop it. Abdul, please let me know if you're facing any issue in this question. Okay, so we need to find the matrix A. Okay, we have this one 2A minus 3B plus 5C is equal to null matrix. Now, Josefa, what we will do, we will shift all the terms to the right side. And as we need to find the value of A, so that's why we'll keep the A on the left side only. So, okay, Abdul, -835 and -13, -1, -1. Very good, Abdul. This is correct. So 2A is equal to, we will shift this to the right side. So this is O plus 3B. And we will shift this 5 here. We will get a -5C. Now, 2 of A will be equal to, what's the null matrix? Null matrix is, okay, all these have the same order. So null matrix also have the order 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0 plus 3B. 3 into what is B? B is -2, 2, and 0, and 3, 1, and 4. Then we have C, -5 into C. What is C? C is 2, 0, -2, And here we have a 7, 1, and 6. Now, this is twice of A is equal to, okay, this is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, multiply this complete matrix with 3, so you will get a minus 6, 6, and 0. This is 9, 3, and 12. Here you will get, it's your wish, you can multiply with complete minus 5, or you can multiply with the 5 and then you can subtract it. So you will get a 10, 0, minus 10, 35, 5, and 13. Okay. So from here you will get twice of A is equal to, this will give you 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And it's better if you will add all these two. Now we will add all the terms. So 0, minus 6, okay, and this is minus 10. So this will become minus 16. 6, this is 6, and this is 0. So we will get a 6. Now 0 and minus 10, we will get a plus 10 here. Okay, next we have this 9 and minus 35. Okay, so this will give us minus 26. Now 3 minus 5, this will give us minus 2. Similarly, 12 minus 30, so this will give us minus 18. Okay, so to find the value of A, this 2 will be shifted to the right side and we will get minus 16, 6, 10. This is minus 26, minus 2, and minus 18. And here we will get A is equal to, divide this with 2, you will get a minus 8, 3, 5, minus 13, minus 1, and minus 1. Okay. Zephyr, this clear now? Okay. So shall we start next question, Zephyr? Okay. Next one. Please try this question. Question number 6. Solve this matrix. Okay. Shiva, very good. Value of x is correct. Good. If anyone have a doubt in this, then please let me know.
So one more is also moved.
Shiva, you are getting 3 plus minus 3 root 2.
Oh yes, so one more is also send it.
Okay, okay, very good. Good, Shiva. The answer is correct. Maziha, very good. The value of x is correct. Three minus 3 root 2. Shiva. Very good. Zephyr, very good. X is 1 or 2. Y is equal to not minus 3. So Zephyr, Y is 3 plus minus. Okay. So we are getting this answer. Please, Zephyr, again check your calculation. Huzafa, X is correct. Okay, Huzafa Ahmed. X is correct. Y is this one. 3 plus minus 3 root 2. Okay, so please check your answer. So I got the answer from Shiva, Maziha, and Huzafa. Okay. Maziha, please find the value of Y also, and all the other students. Atif, Aisha, Saf, please share your answer. Nazia, three. Okay. I will do this. Nazia, this is 3 plus minus 3 root. Okay, I will solve this question. So first of all, we have here x square y square. Okay. Then we have minus 3 into this. So we will get minus 3x and 6y. Okay, this is equal to minus 2. And now subtract these two. So you will get x square minus 3x and y square minus xy. This will be equal to minus 2 and now please equate these terms. So x square minus 3x is equal to minus 2. So this will give us x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So this we will get x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 minus 1, x minus 2 is equal to 0. From this we will get x minus 1, x minus 2 is equal to 0. And from this x is equal to 1 and 2. Now for the y, equate this one, y square minus xy is equal to 9. So from here we will get y square minus xy minus 9 is equal to 0. So here we do not get the roots directly. That's why we will use the formula, quadratic formula. So this is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2. So I hope everyone remember this formula. So this we will get y is equal to minus b. So this becomes 6 plus minus under root of b square. So b square is again 36 minus 4 into a is 1 into c. C is minus 9 by 2. 2 means 2. Now y we will get 6 plus minus under root and this is 36 plus 36. Okay, divided by 2. Now this is y is equal to, here you will if you will find the root of this, then you will get 6 plus minus 6 under root 2 by 2. So I'm marking this over here. So you will get y is equal to, divide this with 6, so 3 plus minus 3 root 2. This is a value of y. Aisha, this is clear? Aisha, this clear? Okay, good. So I hope everyone has completed this. So please note down this, Aisha, and confirm so that we can start the next topic. Okay, great. So next we will start the multiplication of matrices. We just have only 9 minutes. Okay, so maybe this we will not be able to complete this topic. So we will do this topic again tomorrow in the tomorrow class. Okay, next is multiplication of matrices. Okay. For the addition, what was our condition? Suppose we have a 2 matrix A and B. So what is the condition when we can add these 2 matrices? When the order of these 2 matrices are same. Okay, we have already discussed and you have solved many questions that you can add 2 matrices only when their order is same. Now what about the multiplication? What happens if we need to multiply 2 matrices? Now suppose if you have a matrix A, this have the order m by n. Okay, please don't note right now. Just understand this. Okay, so we have 2 matrices. We are multiplying A with B. Okay, we are finding AB. We are first is A, second is B, so we are multiplying AB. Now, suppose the order of matrix A is m by n, order of matrix B is n by p. We can multiply 2 matrices only when these 2 are equal. What is these 2? This is the number of column of the first matrix, and what is this? This is the number of rows of the second matrix. So when can we multiply 2 matrices? We can multiply any 2 matrices only when the number of columns of the first matrix will be equal to number of rows of the second matrix. Okay, please remember this condition. We can multiply 2 matrices only when the number of column of the first matrix will be equal to number of rows of the second matrix. Okay, so we can represent like this, that we can multiply two matrices only when these two are equal. If these two are not equal, then we can't multiply the matrix. If we will get any question where these two are different, then we will write that multiplication is not defined. Okay, you can't multiply this. Now, suppose if you will multiply this, you will get a matrix C. Then what will be the order of matrix C? That will be equal to remaining one. So from here we will take n, and from here we will get, from here we will get a. Okay, so we can multiply two matrices only when the number of column of the first matrix will be equal to the number of column of the second matrix. Okay, and what is a resultant matrix order? That will be m by. Okay, when we will solve the questions, this concept will be clear to you. Okay, maybe right now you are facing any issue in this one, but when you start solving the question, then this will be clear to you. So what is the condition for two matrices to get multiplied? The first one. Okay, now in the matrix multiplication, AB and BA are generally not equal. AB is different, BA is different. This we will discuss later on. So that's why I'm again saying that this is the first one, this is the second one. We are multiplying A with B. Okay, so when can we multiply two matrices? When the number of columns of the first one will be equal to number of rows of the second one. And what will be the resultant? The remaining. So m by 2 is this. Okay, so I hope this is clear to everyone. Now I will ask question from all of you one by one. So we have this 2 by 3. We have this 3 by 4. Okay, so I will start from Atif. Atif, can you please tell me that can we multiply these two matrices?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So what will be the resultant of the matrix C?
2 by 4.
2 by 4. Very good. Perfect. Second, suppose we have A 3 by 4 and we have B 2 by 3. Okay. Aisha, can we multiply these two matrices?
Yes, sir.
We can multiply. Why, Aisha? These two are same?
No, no, sir.
No, no, these two are different. So that's why we can't multiply these two matrices. So we will write that AB is not defined. Multiplication is not defined. Okay. Third one, suppose A is 4 by 3 and B is also 4 by 3. Okay, we are multiplying these two. So Josefa Ahmed, will you please tell me, can we multiply these two matrices? Okay, no, very good. Okay, we can't multiply because these two are different. Okay, so the next question is for Josefa. Next, we have a matrix A, and this is suppose 3 by 3, and next is B. This is 2 by 2. So Josefa, can we multiply these two?
No, sir.
No, these two are different, so we can't multiply this. Its fifth question is for Saf. Okay, Saf. So next is A. A is 3 by 3, and B is 3 by 3. So Saf, can we multiply these two matrices?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So can you tell me what's the resultant of the matrix C?
3 by 3.
3 by 3. Very good. Now next question is for Shiva. Next one. Next is we have A. This is 2 by 5. Next we have B. 5 by 5. Okay. Shiva, can you tell me, can we multiply these two matrices?
Yes, sir. We can multiply.
Very good. What's the resultant?
2 by 5.
2 by 5. Very good. That's correct. So everyone, I hope everyone has understood this concept. Just keep it over. So just note down this complete definition. This is what, let A and B be two matrices. Then the product AB is defined if the number of columns in matrix A is equal to number of rows in matrix B, which we have already discussed. Okay. So that means this, we can multiply AB when these two are same. Okay, this is order. Okay, these two are same, and what the resultant order will be, that will be m by p. Okay. So please note down this, and the other part we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, because right now only 2 minutes are left. Please note down this and note down the homework. Please note down this calculation.
Done, sir.
Good, very good. Next, please note down the homework. This is assignment 2. From assignment 2, you need to do question number first. In question number first, you need to do question part first, second, and third. Okay, and then you need to do question number 2. And after this, you need to do question number 4, then question 5, and question 6, and question 7, and question 8, and question 9, and 10, question 11, question 12. Okay. So we need to complete all these questions.
So from which exercise?
This is from the assignment. Okay, Nikhil sir will share the assignments with you today only. So you need to complete these questions from top. Okay, so then we will end our today's class. Tomorrow we will do the further topic, and before that we will discuss your doubts from these questions. Okay. Okay then. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.